Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 Saloon S-Line 35 TFSI. It comes finished in the stunning Daytona grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and to the rear you have the privacy glass, giving the car's profile an air of mystery. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm dynamic design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather upholstery with the white contrast stitching, centre armrests with two-handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S&Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones on the go, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those long weekend getaways. Parking aid for rear volume of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Back on the main menu and intermediate to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with the 2 USB charging ports, finished off with the all-important sleek automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.